First up on our list is Gyeran Mari, a popular Korean rolled omelette. This dish is a vibrant blend of eggs and vegetables, rolled into a fluffy, savory delight. The key to Gyeran Mari's appeal lies in its texture. Light, airy, and incredibly satisfying. Vegetables lend a crunch and added taste, making each bite a flavorful adventure. It's the versatility of Gyeran Mari that wins hearts, seamlessly fitting into your breakfast plate or accompanying your main meal as a side dish. This dish offers a perfect balance of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Coming up next is Gyeran Jjim, a unique Korean steamed egg custard. This dish is all about the creaminess, achieved through a delicate steaming process that brings out the best from the humble egg. It's a smooth, velvety delight that pairs perfectly with the bold flavors like Korean BBQ. This dish is not only easy to digest, but also provides a significant dose of protein and essential vitamins. After the creamy delight of Gyeran Jjim, are you ready to taste something with a bit of a kick? Third on our list is Egg Jangjorim, a dish of eggs braised in soy sauce. Simmering hard-boiled eggs in a savory soy sauce-based broth with garlic, ginger, and other seasonings. Egg Jangjorim offers a rich umami flavor and a satisfying texture, making it a favorite side dish or snack in Korean cuisine. What makes Jangjorim special is its wonderful ability to marry these contrasting tastes into a harmonious medley. Considered a popular lunchbox item in Korea, it's a testament to the country's love for simple yet flavorful dishes. From the savory Jangjorim, we now move on to a comforting soup. Fourth on our list is Gyeran Guk, a comforting Korean egg soup. Made by gently simmering beaten eggs in a flavorful broth with vegetables like scallions, carrots, and mushrooms, Gyeran Guk offers a delicate texture and a mild, soothing taste. It's a staple in Korean home cooking, effortlessly bridging the gap between humble and hearty. Imagine a clear, savory broth, gentle in its warmth. Into this tranquil canvas, we whisk in beaten eggs, creating swirls of delicate, cloud-like threads. Each spoonful of Gyeran Guk is a symphony of subtle textures, the silky broth and tender egg harmonizing in a comforting dance. Often, Gyeran Guk is served alongside a bowl of steaming rice, the two components complementing each other perfectly. The mildness of the soup enhances the natural sweetness of the rice, creating a balanced, satisfying meal. Last but not least, we have Korean Elvan stone-baked eggs. This dish is unique in its preparation, where the eggs are baked inside an Elvan stone, a special type of volcanic rock known for its heat retention properties. The stone is heated to a high temperature. Then the eggs are placed inside and baked to perfection. The result is a delightful contrast in textures. The exterior of the eggs becomes crispy and browned, while the interior remains soft and creamy. This dish is not just a treat for the palate, but also a joy to experience. You'll often find these baked eggs as a popular street food, or in public bath or spa in Korea, where vendors serve them hot and fresh. Each bite transports you to the bustling streets of Seoul, with the comforting warmth of the baked eggs providing a sense of home and familiarity. With that, we've explored the top 5 Korean egg dishes. Each one offers a unique taste and experience, showing the versatility of eggs in Korean cuisine.